After the unprecedented phenomenon that hits most countries in the world, there will be no point of return to the usual face-to-face interactions and collaborations among workforce and business engagement activities. Businesses here and abroad is already changing their business landscape and model, thereby performing almost everything remotely or in a hybrid setup environment. Yes, it's true that the global pandemic outbreak gradually slowing down in many countries in the world. And as I said earlier, and even in my previous articles, COVID-19 helps the companies to move and act faster towards digitalization by speeding up their internal business processes. That is, embracing the power and benefits of digital technology. This technological innovation phase is the only option and powerful solutions to recover from the worst impact of the global pandemic outbreak, not only for the companies, but for the economy. Businesses has no other options but to undertake the challenge to innovate and improve their business landscape and models with the use of the available technologies to recover from the impact of the pandemic. Barriers is given and expected for this change, and this challenge their competencies. Financial sources is the biggest barriers because of the inconsistent revenues. This organized workforce, the trembling supply chains, plus the high cost of building systems and infrastructures that they can use. These are the barriers among others that they must face. In the Philippines, companies have been forced to adapt new business models, thereby working in a hybrid setup environment and improve their digital capabilities and engaging in a digital channels or platforms providers so that they can be able to deliver a holistic digital experience for their customers. Doing so, they can be able to revive and increase customers' engagements. My personal observation is that many organizations are still struggling to adapt to the emerging technologies. Legacy technology that they have are somewhat hampering their ability to adapt new environment and operations. Cyber criminals are taking these opportunities to put harm and threat to the businesses that are currently struggling before they improve operations. Proactive technology strategy is necessary in adapting operations and building resilience to equip with a stronger competitive edge and to avoid being harmed by cyber criminals. Adaptation in times of uncertainties and abrupt changing conditions. Facing the unprecedented phenomenon such as the worst impact of climate change and the global pandemic outbreak or COVID-19 are one of the greatest challenges businesses must be aware of to avoid being swayed down. The impact of this phenomenon in the economy and daily lives are continuously evolving. The ability to adapt to this kind of challenges that might disrupt the business is very crucial in these ever-changing conditions. While it is very difficult to predict how conditions may change or get worse, companies can consider these solutions or recommendations. First, recalibrate systems and infrastructure to support dynamic workforce setup and environment. This includes a smooth and flexible transition plan that supports the return to office or any workable environment, such hybrid or total remote environment. New and improved systems and infrastructure will benefit the company in the long run, and they can surely provide smooth collaboration with the high level of automation and advanced technology. Organization will be able to perfectly manage the resources and been able to achieve high level of productivity and protect them through the utilization of intelligent software and platform. Second, cloud migration of system and infrastructure. To ensure the continuity of the business, they should consider migrating to cloud environment to smoothly support the operation in general and holistic view. This will allow more collaboration and connection among members of the teams or organization in general. This will also open to a wider collaboration that will help improve decision making. Cloud environment will surely allow greater reach of linkages among businesses, vendors, and customers. That will benefit both companies and its employees. Third is the automation is the key step towards digital transformation. This offers a very wide range of opportunities and a lot of flexibility for leaders who is looking to drive transformation in their organization. It helps in decreasing the operating cost, yet improving and increasing the efficiency and fast delivery of products and services to a more value for the workforce. Now, how can we be able to achieve resiliency and flexibility? New and improved business models are being introduced in the market because of the global pandemic outbreak, from work nearby to work from home to a hybrid environment. Well, every employee can work without affecting the efficiency and their performance. At the end of the day, companies and organizations should think of the best approach to continue the operations of the business without forcing their workforce to work on site. They should embrace the digital environment that can boost customer engagement instead of having mass attrition. Now, there are three key areas to achieve so that we can able to achieve and build resilient and flexible organization. The first one is to restructure the IT operations. Improve and upgrade the traditional system and infrastructure to digital will greatly help and enhance efficiency and productivity and have a positive impact to attain high customers engagement. Moving the traditional transaction online to digital is now imperative and a must approach, from digital signatures to payment online and many other services that can be done online. Second one is to revamp the digital strategy. It is time to revamp and assess the new and emerging technologies that the company should need to improve on or change accordingly if necessary, such as migrating to cloud environment and more advanced technologies for contactless and intelligent platforms. Companies should consider replacing their legacy technologies or improving the technologies that they currently have. And the last one is that a stricter guard on cybersecurity. Companies should make sure that the system and infrastructure are safeguarded with strong security, and there should be backup. In addition, business must ensure that all parties involved and their stakeholders, including records of their suppliers or vendors and customers' record, are well secured. Alright, so thank you very much. This is Professor Vincent Toribongolan, a data scientist by profession with more than 18 years of experience in technology and analytics. Alright, so this is again Professor Vincent Toribongolan, a data scientist by profession with more than 18 years of experience in technology and analytics. Alright, so I am a freelancer at Upwork.com, and I also put up a business in clothing industry. So I have my LHI, or the Lelouch Hombre International. Lelouch Hombre International is also available in our Shopee shop or store. I'm also the founder of Statisticsdoctor Consultancy. This is a data science and statistics consulting firm that I established in the year 2015. And last year, December 2021, I put up a food shop or food store wherein we also deliver nearby area, and this is also available via Grab Foods. All you need to do is to download the application of the Grab Foods and search for Comida Cravings. Alright, so Comida Cravings is located at 1032 Aliw Street, Morningside Terrace Subdivision, Santa Mesa, Manila. And I am also a social media analyst, wherein I'm teaching at the LaSalle College of St. Benilde. And one of the subject matter that I'm handling includes the social media analytics. So that's why I became a vlogger. All right. So aside from that, I also owned and managed near printing services. All right. So for printing services, all you need to do is to send us your inquiries at sales@nearprinting.com. Again, sales@nearprinting.com. And for more business collaborations, all you need to do is to send us a message at statisticsdoctor@gmail.com, or you may visit the description of this video for more collaboration. All right, so I would like also to thank the businesses who engage with Statistics Doctor Consultancy. Of course, Refocus Education Online. All right, so this is a new online education platform that are available in the market today. Tutorialspoint.com is also an online education provider. And of course, the Saltius Singapore towards higher excellence. This is also an online education provider. And of course, I'm a contributing author in Udemy, in LearnDesk, and the Tutorials Point. Alright, so thank you. And that is what I always want to have. Updated, new version, and of course, emerging technology. Thank you.